Are you a guitar enthusiast who dreams of playing like your favorite musicians? Do you find yourself struggling to learn new songs because you don't know the right chords? If so, you're not alone. Many aspiring guitarists face this challenge, but fear not. In this article, we will explore 5 essential guitar chords that will unlock your musical potential and take your playing to new heights. So grab your guitar and let's get started. The C major chord, a gateway to melody. The C major chord is often considered the gateway chord for beginners. It consists of 3 simple finger placements on the fretboard, making it an excellent starting point for those just beginning their musical journey. By mastering this chord, you'll gain a solid foundation in understanding how chords are formed and how they interact with each other. The G major chord, adding depth and emotion. Once you've mastered the C major chord, it's time to move on to the G major chord. This chord adds depth and emotion to your playing and is commonly used in countless songs across various genres. With practice, transitioning between C major and G major becomes seamless, allowing you to create beautiful melodies that resonate with listeners. The D major chord, powering up your strumming. Now that we've covered 2 foundational chords, let's dive into a more powerful one. The D major chord. This particular shape requires some finger stretching but offers great rewards in terms of sound quality and versatility. Incorporating the D major chord into your strumming patterns will add richness and complexity to your playing style. The E minor chord, unleashing your inner rock star. If rock music is more up your alley, then mastering the E minor chord should be at the top of your list. This versatile minor chord is a staple in rock, blues, and even pop music. It's easy to learn and allows you to create that signature rockstar sound with its dark and moody vibe. By incorporating the E minor chord into your repertoire, you'll be able to play countless iconic songs from legendary artists. The A major chord, elevating your songwriting skills. Last but not least, we have the A major chord, a fundamental building block for songwriters. This chord adds depth and complexity to your compositions, allowing you to explore various musical ideas. Whether you're writing heartfelt ballads or catchy pop tunes, mastering the A major chord will elevate your songwriting skills and enable you to express yourself through music more effectively. Why mastering these 5 essential guitar chords matters. Now that we've covered these 5 essential guitar chords, let's delve into why mastering them truly matters. Versatility. By learning these chords, you'll gain access to a vast library of songs across different genres. From classic rock anthems to soulful ballads, having these chords under your belt opens up endless possibilities for musical exploration. Confidence. As a guitarist, confidence is key when performing in front of others or jamming with fellow musicians. Mastering these essential chords will boost your confidence levels as you become more comfortable navigating the fretboard. Creativity. With these foundational chords at your disposal, your creativity as a musician can flourish. You'll be able to experiment with different strumming patterns and progressions while exploring new melodies and harmonies. Progression. Learning new guitar techniques can sometimes feel overwhelming or stagnant without clear progression markers along the way. Mastering these essential chords provides tangible milestones that allow you to track your growth as a guitarist. In conclusion, unlocking your musical potential starts with mastering foundational guitar chords like C major, G major, D major, E minor, and A major. These chords serve as the building blocks for your musical journey, enabling you to play a wide range of songs and express yourself through music more effectively. So, grab your guitar, dedicate some time each day to practice these chords, and watch as your playing evolves. Remember that consistency is key. Rome wasn't built in a day. With patience and perseverance, you'll soon find yourself strumming along to your favorite tunes with confidence and joy. Happy playing!